PAX Gold may lose 0.7% tomorrow, 30 rates predicts. Let's open with a quick view of the current market move. Right now, PAX Gold is showing a daily loss of 0.2% and sits close to $4,509. Here's today's set of expert forecasts. Gulf Capital Collector forecasts a move to $4,521.01 by tomorrow. That's roughly 0.3% from the current price. Traders Union projects a move up to $4,518.51 for PAX Gold, which implies a gain of 0.2%. According to CoinDataFlow, it might fall toward $4,490.16, an estimated loss of 0.4%. A separate forecast by 30 rates shows PAX Gold might edge down to $4,477, a projected decrease near 0.7%. Finally, digital coin price expects a slide to $4,451.68 by May 24. That's 1.3% under current price. This is the best return scenario. That's all for the forecast calls. Let's continue the analysis. Let's move forward from the outlooks to the quantitative part. Based on all the market predictions reviewed here, the price could vary anywhere between a decline of 1.3% and an increase of 0.3%, depending on the analyst. It's clear that digital coin price expects the highest return with 1.3% gain in value by tomorrow. Put simply, you could come away with between $2 and $13 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Traders Union's forecast indicates the most probable price movement, with a 66.2% chance of success. With the 5 forecasts aligned, I've highlighted the overall consensus scenario. The consensus forecast points to PAX Gold reaching about $4,491.67. Here's how it looks in detail. Consensus outlook signals a 0.4% dip by tomorrow. This implies that your capital could gain by the same 0.4%. If you had $1,000 invested, the scenario could point to $4 in return. So in terms of chances, the consensus outlook for PAX Gold is placed at roughly 63.9%. This time, let's see how analysts outline the likely path of the market for the next 3 days. Gulf Capital Collector believes momentum is lacking, so PAX Gold should stay broadly unchanged. Also, Traders Union highlights a balanced short-term outlook. CoinDataFlow projects an ascending trajectory for PAX Gold. According to 30 rates, the price is expected to remain largely unchanged, reflecting a stable short-term market environment. Digital coin price describes the near-term outlook as bullish. Taking all opinions together, the consensus indicates PAX Gold is tilted upward across the coming 3 days. According to the combined views, 80% of analysts anticipate strength in PAX Gold. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago for tomorrow. Now that tomorrow is behind us, we can review them. As a result, yesterday's chart closed at $4,497.60. Yesterday's market showed that only a minority predicted the correct direction. The closest match to the actual price was from 30 rates. Time to analyze the results piece by piece. Only one forecast landed exactly inside the candle. For ROI performance, several analysts finished above 0, and 30 rates had the highest return of 0.3%. Here's a quick results overview, a visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. In today's data, coin price forecast registered $48.40 in accuracy, 60.6% forecast probability, and minus 0.2% ROI. Can you tell which analyst came the closest to reality? Let's see how tomorrow's projected performance compares among several cryptocurrencies. This time, PAX Gold isn't first as Polkadot posts 2.2% potential